Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to point out something on your Tradingview charts, maybe you want to highlight a breakout level, mark a pullback, or just show your viewers exactly where a big move happened, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of today's video, you'll know how to quickly and confidently draw an arrow on Tradingview, turning any trend line into a sharp visual indicator. Whether you're sharing charts with friends, teaching others, or just organizing your own trades, this simple skill can really make your analysis pop. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up Tradingview on your computer. You can do this by heading to Tradingview.com in your browser. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign in so you're ready to work with your charts. Once you land on the homepage, take a look up top and you'll see a menu item called Products. Go ahead and give that a click. This opens up all the different tools Tradingview has to offer, but for now we're going to focus on their charting feature. With your chart in front of you, your eye should naturally find the toolbar, usually docked on the left side of the screen. This is kind of like your artist's palette packed with drawing tools. Look for the trendline tool, which normally looks like a slanted diagonal line. Think of this as your basic drawing pencil. You can use it to create any straight line you need on your chart. Click on the trendline icon to activate it. Now let's actually draw that line. Click once on the chart where you want your arrow to start. Maybe you're marking the beginning of a new price trend or showing a specific entry point. Hold down your mouse and drag to where you want your arrow to point, then release. Don't worry if the line isn't perfect the first time. You can always move or adjust it later to get it just right. Sometimes getting your line positioned exactly takes a few tries, especially if there are lots of candles or indicators on your chart, so take your time. Here's the cool part: how do we transform this ordinary line into an arrow? To do that, double-click the line you've just drawn. This opens up the settings window for that specific line. If you've never explored these settings before, don't worry, it's not complicated at all. Inside, look for the Style tab. This is where you can customize how your line looks. Scroll through the style options until you find something called End Point. By default, it probably just shows as a regular straight line, but you have the option to change the shape at the end of your line. Click on End Point and you'll see an arrow option. Go ahead and select that arrow. This tweak might seem small, but having that bold arrowhead at the end of your line makes your chart annotations much clearer. Viewers and fellow traders will instantly see what you're highlighting. Once you're happy with your arrow style, simply click OK to apply the changes. That's it, you've transformed a simple trend line into a clear, attention-getting arrow on your Tradingview chart. Now, whether you're sharing your chart in a Discord server, dropping analysis on Twitter, or just saving it for your own reference, everyone can easily spot exactly what you're pointing out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Tradingview trick you want to learn. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward walkthroughs and charting tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.